Iarraidh le Port Láirge an tíre chas an tatan scata nuair a fuaidir an ceannas fear limnach. Don aireocht le Uíbh Fhailí do chadauchaí roinne héin nach mór dainethe co. Ach is sin ráit a bhí géarthaí go Fhailí le bua, le sean éag na hartó héin fracha roinne héin. Má darmach donacha als Pat Fleury a hamon trátrúta.
Ach, gwneud sé tamar fad.
Mas rwyd gorag yn slither y laf, ni ref se fecala.
Fatch Billy Nolan fi I Fhailí na gola, Billy can skippi, was a rash on Nimmert agus an istad trio Colleen, scoring ag Billy, a hit can on Nimmert, a strap for sé. Can't you trust the stock draw Patrick Curran? Patrick could cost a hard pass just love, but you could Jamie Byrne. A three Colleen scored to Jamie good shot on what's the let Jamie pass just each of the stock. Father Brian Lynch, Rashi, Jamie Rees, Coy, Mertastic, Najasha, Jamie Guru Green, Jamie Abola Ord, Jamie Harris Raston. Jurassic Mark Troy Rees, Squilling Check and Fat, score on him, or to test Uíbh Fhailí, can bring in Inspirad, Hortskoven Chohugs, when the Garrett and passing Corsiers and then Fairlar Park, but Kirkback can and Chohugs, a will, Tog, with Evan, can't you watch it, Luke Watkins. Shock the car, Martian, it's cool. Nish, he's got a strong in screeny. Can't see she'll watch against Machti again. Castle Jabalach one. Castle Jabalach can't you put her roll in again. Cahowich Shen. Pat Fisher Shen Glorwer. Sloanin Shen Bennett. Chance Shen Daniel Burke, Daniel Abulistach. The door screeny. Tashi watch again and screeny. Thought counter to die Wally on. Towards and Toward to be on. Now she Hurrit Trast on her Dera. Oh, he shants are cool, Pat.
Yeah, he shants cool on Kurt Galore. Near a rudder one, if you're Chicken Screeny, a cool and both the sun.
So what, Billy?
So have made the Billy Captain.
Yeah, on Toward could do. Gentleman, Jamie Burton, this could be Michael Kiley, a ball or Douglas in Kate score, Michael Kiley, a strap for Heshe. Just been with Dolce, top Brian Dyden, Queen of Sullerson. She put a Jessica Shane. No, sir, Graham Stephen. Watch it, Stephen. Me Roach with Stephen Gimmert or Galore Valley shot Med Gorty I get but Raiga Chuggy Ruben Haller Ruben to replace Shassalar Neil and Sparson Chin. I was a G Hallow Mata he fought to Rash and Caleb Lyons as good as Stephen Bennett he had Derek Stephen Bennett I was shit and fall with Stephen Bennett hot out of Shin the Fort Larrigan. She should just she saw father after she does it's missed it. I saw she fought it. Sean chances to Brian Dyden and Garrett. Oh, Billy Nolan reached Thundaro Billy Nolan.
On a half ball.
Yeah, but yeah.
On a half ball, or Father and Shin, or Billy.
G. Hallow Match, Ern O'Neill, Chinnock, and Chelafotcher, Ashley Port Larrigan reached Patrick Curran, Jennifer Mahiga. Kick out to Trast and Chuggy Caleb Lyons, a pass Trast to G. Ruben Haller, missed, Ruben again, a shot or goal. A spinner goal. Goal! Like Ruben Haller!
Well, Shin there, and of course, Ian Chuck Captain. Cole on Wahan Shin, or Ruben Haller. A hen and a score alte a Ruben and ish passing alive a das and a Christian Chin agus toiste and count there na Kahani go Caleb Lyons just shot quick near a brother van in a count.
Jack Clancy, Jack Ishel as he fought and ish. Daniel Burke, Ord, Branish Shin Gama, or Mohivsid, Kahawichi, Toshigama. Scored Jassy Daniel Burke, Shit can number to pass near on a Darrigan, Wallo Coalition Captain, Mark Fitzgerald and ish. Gareth Shach, Austin Mark the goalie is good in check can more or than was thought. Sean Welcher to Hinton Notskins, so she watching Sean Welcher is Sean Welcher cost a heart, Sean Welcher bullet, yeah, scoring Sean Welch. And Paris Koshlan Konach. And O'Gernach Shater, Chris Mooney, the Kerry Finch Strahan, Nish, Port Larrigan, Job Gentle to Hooks, Tamil Father or Narira, Darren Lay on Bua Tilts, Tiltik Mahaka by Peter Sauce, to Kerry Finch again.
It was kind of our aim, you know, we knew that we'd be depleted early on. We were hoping to get one winner the first two, and then the big one for us then was going to be getting one or two bodies back against Offaly, getting that win and then building from there. So we're where we are where we were hoping to be.
Yeah, look, it's great to get a week off. A lot of us, including myself, like we're playing Fitzgibbon the last few weeks, so tough on the bodies. Obviously this time of year the ground ain't great, so we'd like to get a week off. And look, we're going 4 points to 6. That's not bad for after you would have said the first game against Cork, so we bounced back well.